Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this car DVD player Android 9 Pie system special from Hyundai Veloster 2011 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. There are two screws. Please take out before installing. Okay, this have DVD slots. This comes with special harness with canvas box. It works with factory camera. This ISO connector connects to our head unit, back unit. Okay, there is this video input, AUX video input are set up, and this camera input, and for original backup camera, this adapter for backup camera. It works factory stock. Original backup camera. Okay, this is for original power cable and the speaker. Okay, this canvas decoder box is PDI from Hyundai Veloster. Okay, there is screws to install head unit. Okay, let me introduce it. You can check this home button and these buttons is knob, it's volume and power, it's dim. It's brightness. Okay, this back. You can check there are two SD card slots and a mini front USB. Okay, let me show it. You can choose time, you can choose logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Hyundai. Okay, let me back the home. This menu. Okay, change the Hyundai logo. You also can adjust this color, gray, blue, and any color you can adjust this panel. Let me choose blue. Okay, firstly let me introduce, let me check the all apps. All apps are here. A2DP stream music from your phone, Bluetooth, easy connection, Google Maps, and you can download the application from Google Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, and check the system. You can check this RK3368 PX5 Android version is Android 9 Pie system. Okay, I will back the home. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check Belsee. Its device name Belsee and pin number 40. Let me open my phone. Please turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, click search button to get the device. Please disconnect and turn on Bluetooth from your phone. Search again. Okay, it gets the Galaxy S8 Plus. Click pair button. Your phone will get command. You can check. Put the pin number 40. Okay, it changed the color, show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. Let me try the H2DP. Stream music from your phone. Volume from your phone. Volume. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. Let me connect the USB. This is mini front USB. Okay, let me connect the USB driver. Front already connect mini USB. Connected. It will play music automatically. USB-A. Connect.
It's my time.
From USB. You can check this is 4K Samsung 4K demo video. We wrote the word. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.